Dearest gentle learners, welcome to Alohomora English, your place to explore the magic of books, improve your English, and learn lessons that stay with you for life. So today, let's unlock something powerful together. Listen and read with me. What if I told you your life is not stuck because you are lazy? Your life is stuck because your habits are too big. You try, you fail. And slowly, you start thinking, maybe I am not disciplined. But that is not true. You just need a better system. Today, we are going to explore the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. And don't worry, this is not a difficult lesson. This is not a boring lesson. I will explain everything in very simple English. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to build a good habit? Maybe you tried studying every day. You tried exercising. You tried waking up early and then you failed. That's okay. That's normal. Everyone struggles with habits. But today, you will learn a better way. Chapter 1. Small Habits, Big Change. Let's begin with the most important idea. Small habits create big results. Yes, small habits, big results. Imagine this. If you improve just 1% every day, after 1 year, you will be much better. But if you become 1% worse every day, your life slowly becomes harder. This is called a compound effect. Think about money in a bank. If you save a little every day, it grows. Habits work the same way. Small actions plus time create big results. So remember this. Success is not one big action. It is small actions repeated every day. But now you may think, what does 1% better actually mean? Let's make it simple. 1% better means doing something very small, but doing it every day. If you want to read, don't start with 50 pages. Start with 1 page. If you want to learn English, don't try to speak perfectly. Just speak 2 or 3 sentences. If you want to exercise, don't go to the gym for 2 hours. Just do 5 minutes. This may feel too small. You may think, this will not change anything. But that is where most people are wrong. Because small actions are easy to do and easy to repeat. And here is the magic. When you read 1 page every day, it becomes easy. Then you naturally move to 2 pages, then 3 pages, without pressure, without stress. The same happens with English. First, you speak 2 sentences, then 5 sentences, then full conversations. This is how real progress happens. Not fast, not suddenly, but slowly and strongly. Because when something is easy, you continue. And when you continue, you improve. So remember this rule. Start small, grow naturally, stay consistent. That is how small habits quietly change your life. But here is where most people make a mistake. Chapter 2. Goals versus Systems. Now let me ask you, what is your goal? Maybe you want good marks, lose weight, or speak English fluently. These are good goals. But here is the truth. Goals are not enough. Systems are more important. A system is your daily routine. For example, goal, I want to be healthy. System, I walk 20 minutes every day. Goal, I want to learn English. System, I practice 10 minutes daily. So remember this. Goals show direction. Systems create progress. Now that you understand this, let's see how habits actually work. Chapter 3. How habits work. Every habit has 4 steps: cue, craving, response, and reward. Let's take a simple example. Checking your phone. The cue is the notification. The craving is curiosity. The response is checking your phone. The reward is feeling good. This loop repeats again and again. Now think about your own life. What is one habit you do every day? That is your habit loop. Now comes the most important part. Chapter 4. The 4 Laws of Change. If you want to build good habits, follow these 4 simple laws. Law 1. Make it obvious. If you want to do something, you must see it. If you want to read, keep a book on your table. If you want to drink water, keep a bottle near you. Out of sight means out of mind. Law 2. Make it attractive. We do things that feel good, so make your habits enjoyable. Listen to music while working. Study in a comfortable place. When it feels good, you do it again. Law 3. Make it easy. Most people fail because they start too big. Instead, start small. Read 1 page. Do 1 push-up. Study for 2 minutes. Start small and stay consistent. Law 4. Make it satisfying. We repeat what feels good, so reward yourself. Mark a check on your calendar. Celebrate small wins. When you see progress, you feel good. And when you feel good, you continue. Chapter 5. Breaking bad habits. To stop a bad habit, do the opposite. Make it invisible. Make it unattractive. Make it difficult. Make it unsatisfying. For example, if you use your phone too much, keep it away and turn off notifications. Make bad habits hard to do. And now, the most powerful idea. Chapter 6. Identity change. Your habits create your identity. Identity is how you see yourself. You may say, I am lazy or I am hardworking. But instead of focusing on what you want, focus on who you want to become. Instead of saying, I want to read, say, I am a reader. Every small action is a vote for your future self. Chapter 7. Simple exercise. Now your turn. Think of 1 good habit you want to start and 1 bad habit you want to stop. Now, say this. I will do this habit after this current habit. For example, I will read 2 pages after dinner. This is how change begins. A student studies 10 minutes daily instead of 5 hours one day. For fitness, walking 10 minutes daily is better than exercising 2 hours once a week. For English, speaking 5 sentences daily is enough to start. Small steps create big results. Chapter 8. Final summary. Let's quickly remember. Small habits create big change. Focus on systems. Understand the habit loop. Use the 4 laws. Change your identity. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to change everything today. Just start small. Just improve a little every day. Because small habits may not look powerful today, but they create powerful results tomorrow. If you start today, even with one small habit, your future self will thank you. Thank you for learning with me. Now tell me, what habit will you start today?